Hey Mama, what's up?
Nothing much. Enjoying the Sunday.
Acha Mama, I have a task for you.
कैसा task?
Would you rather be the Angry Bird Queen or the Pirate Queen?
Pirate King. Pirate King. I'll be the Pirate King.
I said pirate.
बनना है.
Then I will become the Pirate Angry Bird.
Oh no, glasses. ऐसे पहनता हूँ. Ta-da.
I win.
Oi! Not like that, एकलव्य. Pirates को कौन मुक्का मारता है यार?
Angry Bird King. Chee.
Ow! Ooh, where's my? Oh, more hat.
I dodged you.
मैं बताऊं तेरी की बात का.
I'm taking your phone.
My bitch. It's a pirate phone, pirate secrets.
Hey.
Okay, you can be my companion. आप मेरे companion बन जाना ना.
Wait.
Remember, pirates के पास always parrot होता है.
No. I will haunt you. अच्छा मम्मा बताओ.
What?
Would you rather be a pirate queen or a pirate queen?
हैं? इसका क्या मतलब है भाई?
I take your chashme.
No.
Yes.
No.
Amma,
Hmm?
I'm going to give you a reward for your acting.
अच्छा.
Here is your second prize.
Wow, thank you. But who got the first one?
Me. Okay, Mama, I'll give you my Angry Bird.
Now I'm a pirate and Angry Bird together.
I'm just kidding. I'll take a pirate too.
Oh, glasses. Be careful with your glasses, Eklavya.
Now give me that. I'm second prize and first prize.
No, I'm first prize now. Angry Birds.
This is yours, not mine.
No. No.
Mom, why are you having boogies on your nose?
Are you crazy? Where are they?
Look.
It's just a paint. No boogies, it's just a paint.
Woo.
Oi!
Let's save Mama.